No, I gotta share because this shit is fire.
Alright, let me show them how I do my face. I will show them.
So, ain't this crazy, y'all? Alright, let me turn the filter off because y'all acting like y'all don't know what's going on. Boom, filter off. Right?
And I'm still there.
Filter off. But do y'all see I don't have no makeup on? Do y'all see the contour though? It's from the self-tanner. So they said this was good for like, you know, if you want that sun-kissed look, that contour without wearing makeup. Ain't it crazy? Look. And I did my nose. Look. Ain't it cute? That my 40 inches from Mother Uni. Shout out to TaylorMade. It's Taylor Ganger dye, motherfucker. I gotta blend my hair in a little better, but it's cute, cute or whatever. So this what it is, y'all. It's the Jergens Instant Sun, and I got deep bronze because I'm not playing out here. And then that's just what it looked like. No filter. I'm loving it. Now I'm gonna get my eyebrows hinted and it's gonna be up and it's stuck. So yeah, if y'all like this little tip, let a bitch know. Never playing, always slaying. I heard you, Sweet Bree. No, it don't smell good. But like I'm talking about, I did it here, around my forehead, here, jawline, nose, and you can tell. Like it looks like I just went and contoured my face. And then, hold on, don't let me get crazy with it. Because I make my boobs look bigger with it, too. No, it's a. If I don't know if you never used instant bronzer, but it like you know it fades away. It stays on your face though. Like so, tomorrow I'm gonna still have this. So yeah. But we in Arizona with it tonight. We at the lounge. Turning up. So if you in Arizona, Tempe, Scottsdale, Phoenix, pop the fuck up. Yep. Jergens Instant Sun, deep bronze for the grubs. And y'all see what it's giving. It's giving sun-kissed goddess. So,
You're doing too much hair. I need everybody to go follow Super CBDs. Click the website. and subscribe.
You be shaking ass on Instagram too.
Shake that ass. Come back, babe. Come here. Come here. We trying to see that ass. Alright. Well, Big Daddy want me, but y'all heard the man. Go to Super CBDs, subscribe, like, comment, all that. Because we sold the fuck out. But as soon as restocking happens, y'all know. Niggas know. Bitches too. Niggas know. Bitches too.
Y'all know exactly what's going on right now. Follow Mother Uni too, you heard?
Shake that ass.
No, you're bugging. Oh.
What? The what? We back. We back. All right.